Hello dear students.
5th March is already here. I know you're all brimming with knowledge, full of confidence and gunning to go and get the glory which you rightly deserve.
Just remember one thing, you have read everything, you know everything. Now is the time to show up and I'm sure you all will do that pretty well.
Have confidence in yourself, have faith in yourself.
Keep all the strategies in mind. Do not get panicked. That's the most important advice that I would like to give.
You have to stay well fed, well hydrated. You do not have to go sleep deprived on the day of the exam.
Keep believing in yourself.
Have confidence.
Faith and self-belief in your preparation. You've worked hard for this day.
Have in your mind that you've come this far and you have a little way to go.
And I am sure you will be able to solve majority of the questions.
So no need to rush up at the last moment. Take a pause, breathe deep and go for your exams.
All the very best, friends.
All the very best.
All the best.
Good luck.
All the very best.
All the best.
You will come out with flying colors.
Good luck.
All the very best.
For NEET PG 2023.
Don't worry guys, you will rock it. We will beat the NEET. All the best guys.